You might be doing everything right, drinking more water, buying organic, even exercising daily, but if these 9 common foods are still part of your diet, they could be silently speeding up your aging process. Today, we are breaking down 9 everyday foods that damage your skin, slow your metabolism, increase inflammation, and even affect your memory over time. Make sure to watch to the end, as number 6 is one most people actually think is safe, but it's not. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Refined sugar. No surprise here, but it's more damaging than most people think. Excess sugar binds with proteins in your body in a process called glycation. This creates advanced glycation end products that literally age your skin, blood vessels, and organs. Look out for hidden sugars in sauces, granola bars, and yogurt. Natural sugar like fruit is okay, in moderation. Number 2. Vegetable oils like canola, soybean, corn. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, and when consumed regularly, they throw off your omega-3 balance. That imbalance leads to chronic inflammation, which is at the core of premature aging, joint pain, and even cognitive decline. Swap these out for healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, butter, or ghee. Number 3. White bread and refined grains. White bread, pasta, and most baked goods spike blood sugar fast, leading to insulin surges that accelerate aging. This isn't just about weight. High insulin also triggers inflammation, skin breakouts, and fatigue. Opt for sprouted grain bread, quinoa, or oats for slower, more stable energy. Number 4. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, deli meats. These are loaded with preservatives, nitrates, and sodium, all of which can increase oxidative stress in the body. Over time, that means wrinkled skin, stiff joints, and higher disease risk. If you eat meat, choose fresh, organic cuts and avoid smoked or cured meats as much as possible. Number 5. Alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates the skin, disrupts sleep, and interferes with liver function. Even small amounts, when consumed often, contribute to dull complexion, puffy eyes, and poor recovery from workouts or stress. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose. These may seem like a healthy sugar alternative, but they can actually disrupt your gut microbiome and even trigger cravings for more sweets. Your gut health plays a huge role in how you age, from energy to skin clarity. Try natural options like stevia, monk fruit, or raw honey in small amounts. Number 7. Fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, chips. These are full of trans fats and oxidized oils that contribute to cellular aging. Plus, the high heat used in frying creates free radicals, which damage collagen and increase inflammation. Instead, air fry or roast your foods with avocado oil or ghee. Number 8. Soda and sugary drinks. One of the biggest culprits. Even fruit juices and sports drinks often contain more sugar than you'd expect. These drinks rapidly spike insulin and encourage fat storage, especially around the belly, which is metabolically active and speeds up aging. Go for herbal teas, infused water, or homemade electrolyte drinks instead. Number 9. Highly processed packaged foods. Anything that can sit on a shelf for a year is probably not helping your body stay young. These foods are full of preservatives, sodium, hydrogenated oils, and chemicals that your liver has to work hard to filter out. The more whole, unprocessed foods you eat, the more your body can focus on repair, regeneration, and resilience. Here's the good news: you don't have to be perfect. But by gradually removing or reducing these foods, you'll notice improvements in your skin, energy, memory, sleep, and digestion. And remember, aging is natural, but how you age is deeply impacted by what you put on your plate. Let us know in the comments, how many of these 9 foods are still in your regular diet? Which one will you replace first? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who wants to age with strength and vitality. Until our next video, keep thriving.